मंगलाचरणम्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Please turn on your cameras, those who can. Yesterday we started a new prakarana which is known as Shabda Parichayah. Shabda Parichayah. So Shabda is an important part of grammar. Grammar is a kind of shastra which produces words, and those words are categorized mainly into three parts. First one was, those who can remember, they please answer. First one, yesterday we saw all the words will be categorized. Namapadam, right? So many words will be included in this part, Nama. Then there are second part,
Avyayam.
Avyayam. Correct, Avyayam. That is called indeclinable words. And third one is
Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam. So whatever you see in Sanskrit or in any another language, all the words will be covered into these three parts, right? Nama, Avyayam and Kriyapadam, right? So within noun, we saw there will be Pullinga nouns, Strilinga nouns and Napusakalinga nouns. Even in Pullinga, some nouns will be ending with a. Those nouns are known as Akaranta Shabdaha. Some will be ending with E, Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rukaranta, etc. etc. So Pullinga words, Strilinga and Napusaklinga, and those are also categorized into Akaranta, Ukaranta, Rukaranta, Ikaranta, etc. Right? Then we move to Avyayam. Avyayam means what? Na vyati iti avyayam. That which cannot be declined. Unlike Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramaha is the word, it can be declined. But you cannot decline Yada, like Yada or Yadi, Tarihi, whatever. Right? Then we move to Kriya Pada. So again, within a Kriya Pada, we are going to see 5 lakarats. Lat Lakara, which means present tense. Lot Lakara, we are going to see that is a kind of mood. Ajnartha, to order, to request, we use Lot Lakara. We are step by step we will be seeing. Then we are going to look at Lang Lakara. Lang Lakara means past tense. Okay. Then fourth one will be Vidhiling Lakara. Vidhiling Lakara and Lot Lakara, both are similar. Both lakaras are known as mood. Okay, to request, to order, we use either Vidhiling Lakara or Lot Lakara, right? Then lastly we are going to see Lit Lakara. Lit Lakara means future tense. Okay, so in Kriya Pada category, those will be 5 lakaras. We will be studying those 5 lakaras, right? And all this Kriya Pada, we saw there will be some main root for each Kriya Pada. For example, Pathati is a Kriya Pada, right? So what would be the main root for Pathati? Pat. Pat is a main root for Pathati, right? So those roots sometimes that root will be belonging to Parasmay Pada. There will be some roots which will belong to Atmanepada. For example, Vanda is a Kriyapada, is a root, main root. That belongs to Atmanepada. So if root belonging to Atmanepada, you have to use particular pratyayas with that root, like te, ite, ante. We will see gradually. Okay. Patha belongs to Parasmaipada, so we are going to use particular pratyayas ti, taha, anti with Patha dhatu. Okay. So that was pada-wise dividation of dhatus. There is one more category. Okay, there is one more category that is based on gana. There are 10 ganas, bhuadigan, adadigan, but we are not going to see all of them. Mainly what we are going to see, bhuadigana, some dhatus from bhuadigana, some dhatus from divadigana, few dhatus from tudadigana, and lastly churadigana. These 4 ganas we are going to see, right? Okay, with this introduction we started saying some pronouns, right? Saha, tau, te. Saha means what?
He.
Saha means he. Tau means they both, and te means all, they all, right? Then next, tvam. Tvam means
You.
you. Yuvam means you both, and yuyam means you all. Okay. Then we move to Uttama Purusha. Aham. Aham means I. Avam means we both, and Vayam means we all. Okay. Please mute yourself. There should not be some noise. Other will be distracted. Yeah. So we saw these pronouns, right? Saha taute, tvam, yuvam, yuyam, and aham, avam, vayam. So those pronouns only will be used as karta in sentence. Ramaha gramam gacchati is the sentence. Ramaha gramam gacchati. Frequently we are not going to use similar word. So rather than using that word again and again, we will be using pronouns. Ramaha gramam gacchati. Saha vanam gatva rakshasam marayati. Tatah saha ravanam hanti. So we are not going to use again and again that same word Ramaha, Ramaha. Rather than using Ramaha, we will be using Saha, Saha later, right? So that was. And based on this introduction, we started making simple sentences. Yesterday I have given a group of some dhatus, right? Bhuadigana, and 10th or 11th dhatus I have given, or I had presented. How many of you remember at least 5? Anybody? Please, those who remember, please, without looking at your notes, you shall. Bhu, you have to say main root as well as ultimate form.
Okay.
And their meaning.
Bhu bhavati become patha, read, pathati, read.
Correct.
Likha, likhati, write. Vada, vadati, speak.
One more.
Buddha, bodhati,
To
listen.
know, to know, to understand.
Okay.
Good. 5. Someone else?
I will try, sir.
Yeah, please.
Shru, Shrunoti, to listen.
Okay.
Pashya,
What is the main root for Pashya?
Drusha,
Drusha Pashyati.
Drusha Pashyati, to see.
Correct.
Khada, Khadati, to eat.
To walk.
Tishta, Tishtati, Sthadati.
Stha is main root. You have to remember those main root. Why do you know?
Yeah.
In laterly, we are going to see Karmani Prayog. For Karmani Prayoga, main root is very important. like patha, you have to use pathyate. It will be mainly, main root will be used for karmani prayoga, passive voice. So remember, stha tishtati, pa pibati, like that. Okay, nice. Hanji, Nandini ji. Those who want to speak, please raise your hand. Raise your hand in the sense you can put that sign also. Yeah, please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. When
Huh.
we will using at karmani prayoga, when you say it will be changed in te,
Yeah.
pathati, it will be
No, no, no,
changed
no.
in pathyati.
There are particular dhatus, okay? Particular dhatus. If you want to use Atmane Padam, you have to use that particular, pada. Vanda dhatu belongs to Atmane Pada, so you have to
Atmane pada.
use te, ite, ante, pratyay with those dhatus only,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
But when we use pathati dhatu, path dhatu, and it will going to pathyate,
That would be karmani prayoga. Whenever
karmani
you see
prayoga.
te, ite, ante, pratyaya and preceded by ya,
Yeah. Okay.
हाँ
Okay. That is the
पठ्यते,
difference.
हाँ
Oh,
that
that
would
is
be
the
कर्मणि
difference.
प्रयोग. We'll
Got
see
it. Got
laterly. Okay,
it. Got it.
next. Now we'll continue. Okay, let me show some slides. We will make some sentences. Let me ask you. So kriya pada. Somebody please decline a kriya pada bhavati in lat lakar. Lat lakar.
May I, sir?
Yes, Amrita. Amrisha ji, right?
Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti, Bhavasi, Bhavatha, Bhavath, Bhava,
Again. Madhyam Purusha
Bhava,
again.
Bhavasi, Bhavathah,
Ah,
Bhavath, Bhavami, Bhavavah, Bhavamah.
very nice. Okay, now Hiral ji, am I correct? Hiral, na? Yeah. Okay. Pashya,
पश्य
Drusha.
पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति पश्यसि पश्यथः पश्यथ पश्यामि पश्यावः पश्यामः.
Good, very nice. Now, let me ask main root, you have to say ultimate form, ultimate kriya pada. For example, let's take char. What would be the ultimate form of char?
चरति चरति
Char.
Charati.
Chala.
Char. Please mute yourself. Those who are.
Charati.
One by one I ask. Okay. Charati. There is another kriya pada chal. It will become
चलति
chalati. Let me ask. I am going to use pronouns, right? Just keep raksha dhatu in mind. I will use any pronoun. We have to find out ultimate form of kriya pada. For example, aham. I will be saying aham. You have to say rakshami, right? Okay. Te,
Rakshanti,
avam,
Rakshavah,
yam,
Rakshatah,
Rakshatah.
रक्ष्यथ
without visarga, rakshatha. Sah,
रक्षति
Rakshati,
yuvam,
Raksha.
रक्षतः
Rakshatah,
vayam,
रक्षामः
Rakshami.
raksha, raksha. Nice. Okay, fine. Let's move to words now. I had asked to memorize some words, right? Without looking at your notes, you have to tell the meaning. One by one, I will be asking. Let me ask. Whom shall I ask? Please raise your hand so I can. Whom shall I ask? Would be simple questions, not difficult, whatever we have studied. Vaishali ji. Nice. Vaishali ji, what is the English word for Nrupaha?
किंग
Okay, what is the Sanskrit word for cook?
पाचक पाचकः
What we had seen, Pachaka is correct only. Another word we have, Sudah, right? Sudah. What about school?
Pathshala.
Good. What about air?
Vayu.
What about horse?
Ashwa.
Very nice. Now let me ask you forms. Okay, who is going to answer? There are three. Okay, let me 1, 2, 3. Shailiji, decline one word. Like take a noun, Ashwah. Nandini, there is some noise. Please mute yourself. Whenever I ask, unmute. Okay. Ashwah, Ashvau. Who is-
अश्वः अश्वौ अश्वाः पूर्ण विभक्ती सांगायचं ना.
हाँ, if you can, it would be great.
हा. अश्वः अश्वौ अश्वाः अश्वौ अश्वम् अश्वौ अश्वान् अश्वने
Ashvena.
अश्वेन अश्वाभ्याम अश्वैः.
Okay, that's it. Laterly I will ask you again. Okay. Now Renuka ji, you continue 4th, 5th and 6th vibhakti. Ashvaya,
अश्वाय अश्वाभ्याम अश्वेभ्यः
good.
अश्वायात्
No, Ashvat,
अश्वात् yes अश्वात् अश्वाभ्याम अश्वेभ्यः अश्वस्य अश्वाभ्याम अश्वैः
okay, again.
अश्वानां
Okay, let me again. Ashvasya, Ashvayoho,
अश्वयोः okay अश्वयोः then अश्वानां
good. Okay, let's finish this word. Saptame and Sambodhan.
yeah
Ashve,
अश्वे रामे अश्वे then
Ashvayoho,
अश्वयोः अश्वेषु
good. And He Ashva.
अश्वे हे अश्वयोः
Mm-hmm.
No,
Hey
He-
Ashva, you didn't practice, I guess. Okay, Hey Ashva, Hey Ashvau.
Ashwa and Ashwa.
Okay, nice. Let me ask Kanish. Kanish, unmute
Yes,
yourself. Now you have to tell English meaning. If I am using Ramena, you have to say by Rama. Right? Let me use Ramasya. Ramasya.
Is it from?
You tell me. I don't know anything. Okay, who is going to answer? Of Rama. Swati ji. Yeah, please you continue. Swati ji will continue. Swati ji. Ramam.
Ramam.
To Ram.
To Ram, right?
Ram himself, na? Ram himself, Ramam.
No, Ramam I am asking. Dvitiya I am asking, right?
Acha,
Okay. Rame.
Saptami.
Saptami.
Hey Ram. English is
Okay.
In Rama.
Okay. Hey Ram, in Rama, on Rama, whatever, right? So if you are not comfortable in English, you can say in Hindi also, in Marathi, whatever. All are understanding Hindi, right? Oh yeah. What about Ramaihi or Balakaihi,
तृतीया बहुवचन.
right? Tritiya Bahuvachan, by
boys or by children?
by children, by boys, right? Okay. Balakeshu,
सप्तमी बहुवचन.
Saptami Bahuvachan, very nice.
In boys, on boys.
Yeah. Now let me move further. Let's see some stories, then we will move, right? This we had seen. Now this shloka we had seen. What do you say? There is a tree. and on the top of the tree there is a sarpa. So shlok was Shushkaha Vrukshah Tishtati. Tishtati. What is the main root for Tishtati? Stha Tishtati, right? So Shushkaha Vrukshah Tishtati. Agree. Asti. Actually this dhatu belongs to second gana. Very important dhatu. It will be used frequently again and again. So asti means is, to be, right? So kashchit sarpah api asti means what? There is a snake also. In similar meaning, nirasataruhu iha vilasati. Vilasati stands or shines puratah, in front. Tad upari, tasya upari manimaya kutila bhujanga, that we had explained. What is this in Sanskrit?
उष्ट्रः
Ushtraha. What about this? This fellow?
Gardabah.
Gardhabah. Okay, this.
गर्दभः
Okay, Gardhabah. Now there is one shloka. Ushtranam cha vivaheshu geetam gayanti Gardhabah. Right? Parasparam prashamsanti aho rupam aho dhvanihi. Right? So now please try to guess the forms or vibhaktis. Ushtranam means what?
षष्ठी बहुवचन
बहुत सारे उष्ट्रों को
हाँ,
Ushtronka.
Ushtronka. Okay. Where? Right. One by one you can answer. If you let me ask someone. Please raise your hand when you are asked. Who is going to answer? Okay. Vaishali ji. Vivaheshu.
विवाहेषु सप्तमी बहुवचन
Nice. Okay. Let me ask. Renuka ji. Gardhabah.
Gardabaha, Baha, where it is come?
Okay. Here it is. Gardhabah. Gardhabah. Gardabhu. हाँ. प्रथमा बहुवचन. हाँ, कनिष्ठ, टेल मी. गायन्ति.
Gayanti is Parasmipada.
परस्मै पद. उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन, राइट?
Yes.
No.
Bahuvachana.
प्रथम पुरुष
Pratama Purusha.
प्रथम पुरुष बहु
पुरुष. I will be confusing, so be careful, right?
Pratama Purusha.
Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Parasparam is a prashamsanti. Tell me, prashamsanti.
Prashamsanti is also Bahuvachan, Anti.
हाँ, प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. You have to say.
Parasmaipadai.
Nice. Aho rupam. Aho is संबोधन. Aho. Rupam. Aho dhvanihi. प्रथमा एकवचन. प्रथमा एकवचन. Rupam. Aho rupam prathama. Aho dhvanihi. प्रथमा एकवचन. Right? Oh, so what is the meaning of this shloka? Somebody? Kanishka, do you want to say?
Sir, I can
Yeah.
say only the first sentence.
Fine.
The donkey is singing a song.
Acha. And
Rest.
where does he sing, or where do they sing?
Vaha.
Please mute. If I ask, then answer. There will be noise,
Sir, I
so
can't
others
understand
can.
the second question.
Okay, it's
it's
fine. You
second
listen. Please pay attention. Others will answer. Right? What about Swati ji? Can you guess the meaning?
So may I speak?
Yes, please.
In the wedding of the camels, the donkeys are singing
Huh.
and they're praising each other. Is what beauty he says for the camel, and the camel praises the donkey, saying, "What a beautiful voice."
Actually, this kind of nyaya is used in our Laukika, you know. So whenever, if somebody is not capable, but still we have to praise because of some reasons. That's how it is used. This is all for now what do you see in this picture?
We see a
Sir.
monkey and a Raja.
Okay.
Raja is sleeping.
Correct. Now I am going to put a story. Okay, please mute. Whenever I ask, then answer, right? If what I was saying, I'm going to put up a story. You have to find out Kriya Pada, what Kriya Padas we are using. There will be some Kriya Padas which belong to Bhuadi Gana and some will be from different Ganas. That's totally fine. You have to find out ultimate form, right? Okay. Now, one line we have to read. Kasminश्चित् राज्ये एकस्य महाराजस्य सर्वेषु प्राणेषु प्रीतिः भवति. Bhavati means what?
Exist.
Sir,
Hiralji. Okay, let me ask one by one. Hiralji, first sentence you will be saying.
Sorry, Mahoday.
First sentence you have to explain.
Okay. Kasminchit means some in some Rajya
Kingdom.
means town or state. One king had love for all the animals.
Correct. What about Sarveshu? Which vibhakti is this?
Sarveshu is Abhyayam.
Not of them. It is
Sorry,
pronoun, right?
Sarva. It's Sarva is Sarvanam Shabda.
Sarvanam Shabda and Saptami.
Saptami Bahuvachan.
Right. What about Ekasya?
Ekasya is Ekah, Shashti Vibhakti, Ekvachan.
What about Preetihi?
Preetihi is a female word, Ekvachan.
Prathama vibhakti. Ekavachanam. That's good. Now let me ask someone else. Kashmiraji, right? Next sentence. Ekada sah brahmanartham vanam gacchati.
Ekada is once, Saha is he, Brahmanartha is in order to move around, Vanam Gacchati, he went to the forest.
Vanam. Whether this in this sentence, Dvitiya Ekavachanam, right? Fine. Next. Now who is answering? Next sentence. Who wants to make? Please raise your hand so there won't be any noise. Yeah, Kanishka, next sentence.
Atra means there, Ekam one, Buddhimanta means intelligent, Vanaram means monkey, and Pashyati means see.
Correct. Who says
So there in the forest he saw an intelligent monkey,
he means who? King.
the king.
Right. Next. Very nice, yeah. Next sentence. Who is raising hand? Okay, Hiralji. Those who are raising hand, I am going to ask them, right? So there won't be any partiality. Good. Next.
Raja tam snehena palayati. The king with love, he was nourishing them.
Correct. What about Snehena? Which case is
Sneha
this?
Shabda, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekvachan.
Nice. Shailiji, next sentence.
एकशस्त्राध्यापकात् खड्गयुद्धं पाठयति.
Pathayati. What does Pathayati mean?
To teach.
Correct. To whom he was teaching?
Monkey.
Monkey was not teaching. Monkey was taught by some teacher, right?
Yes.
Okay. Eka Shastra Adhyapakat, from teacher which was well learnt in Shastra Vidya. From that teacher, Vanaram was learning something. Okay. So Raja was making him to learn. That is the sentence. Khadga Yuddham Pathayati, right?
Yes.
Adhyapakat, which case is this?
Fifth.
Fifth case, from teacher, right? Next sentence. Who is reading? Vaishaliji, next sentence.
सः वानरः तु सम्यक् युद्धं कृत्वा अनेकान् महाराजान् जयति. सः वानरः इत्युक्ते दिस् मङ्की तु सम्यक् युद्धं कृत्वा टु मीन्स् वास् डूइंग नाइसली वॉर अनेकान महाराजान जयति बहुत सारे किंग्स के साथ जीतता है
Okay, what about Maharajan? Which case is this? Anekan, Maharajan,
द्वितीया द्वितीया
Dvitiya.
महाराजान षष्ठी ना षष्ठी बहुवचन
Oh, okay, so now there is a confusion. Some are saying Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, some are saying Shashti Bahuvachanam. So
Sir,
I don't know.
think
You
it's
tell me.
Shashti.
षष्ठी
Is it
बहुवचन
Shashti?
द्वितीय बहुवचन
Really?
द्वितीया बहुवचन
Okay, let's decline the word Ramah. Ramah, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Rama. Say in the similar way. Anekan, Maharajan, right? Nice. Next sentence. Who is reading next sentence? Induji.
सन्तुष्टः राजा तस्मै अङ्गरक्षकपद
There should be Padam, huh? That is typo. You can make it Padam.
अङ्गरक्षकपदं ददाति
Huh. Okay. Dadati means what? To.
give
Make.
So whenever you see new Kriya Pada, please note. And if you are not able to understand the meaning of that Kriya Pada, please ask. Palayati to nourish. Huh? Dadati means to give. Right? So Santushtah Raja Tasmai. Tasmai Kasmai. To whom? Vanaram.
Monkey.
Correct. Vanaram अथवा Vanaraya Angarakshaka Padam Dadati. Then what happens? Let's see. Let's move to next. Now next sentence. So others are welcome to make sentences. Those who want. Rupa ji, Surabhi ji, Ramabala, Siyaram ji. Right? Next sentence. एकस्मिन् दिने राजाः श्रान्तः भवति अतः विश्रान्त्यर्थं शयनं करोति. What is the meaning of this sentence?
One day the king was very tired, so for having rest he was sleeping.
Nice. तत्र कुतश्चित् from somewhere एका मक्षिका राज्ञः मुखम् अभितः भ्रमति. Brahmati means what?
To roam.
To roam around, right? Yeah, so there was, so meaning is understood. I have to move further. It is going very slow. Tasya kanthe varam varam upavishati. Kanthe, which case is this?
सप्तमी बहुवचन सप्तमी एकवचन
Saptami ekvachanam. Kanthe, on top of his throat or on throat. Varam varam is again and again. Okay, varam varam. This is aware. Upavishati means
to sit.
Keep standing.
not standing. It is to sit, right?
Sir, I say landing.
अच्छा landing. Okay, fine. Sorry. एतेन कारणेन महाराजस्य निद्राभङ्गः भविष्यति इति चिन्तयित्वा वानरः सपदि मक्षिकायाः उपरि खड्गेन प्रहरति. प्रहरति means
To attack.
Attack.
attack. प्रहार करना, right? So what did he think or thought of? महाराजस्य
The fly was included.
महाराजस्य निद्राभङ्गः भविष्यति, right?
Yes.
Rajas or kings sleep will be disturbed. So thinking that way, what did he do? He wanted to solve a problem, but he
So he
created big
lifted
problem.
the sword and swung, but he struck somewhere else.
Yes. Then what happened? तेन प्रहारेण मक्षिकया तु खण्डितः. मक्षिकया सह राज्ञः कण्ठः अपि खण्डितः भवति. Right? एवं वानरः शस्त्रविद्या पारङ्गतः, किन्तु विवेक अभावात् महाराजस्य मृत्युकारणं भवति. मृत्योः कारणं भवति. Right? So what is the moral of the story?
What is the meaning of sapadi?
Immediately. Where is somebody word?
अव्ययमस्ति
Huh?
अव्ययमस्ति खलु
Sorry.
सपदि इस् अव्ययम्
Avyam. Niti, Vivekahina Vidya. If we have knowledge but we don't know where to use, how to use, that will be useless totally. So Vivekahina Vidya na shobhate. That is the moral. Let's move to our next topic. There are some shlokas but I am not going to put. Let's move to fourth gana. We have seen Bhwadi Gana. Bhwadi Gana is known as Prathama Gana. Okay, now we are going to look at fourth Gana, which is known as Divadi Gana. Why it is Divadi Gana? Because first dhatu starts with Div, right? Div. So that's how it is known as Divadi Gana. What would be the Vishesh of this Gana? After each root, here mainly you will be using Ya Vikaranam. Divya, it will become Nashya, Nritya. Then you are going to add Titaha Anti, Sithaha Thaha, Ami Avaha Maha, or Ati Ataha Anti, that way also you can say. So Divyati. Divyati means to shine. Okay, somebody can decline the word Divyati. Divyataha, Divyanti. Next.
दिव्यसि दिव्यतः दिव्यथ दिव्यामि दिव्यावः दिव्यामः.
Nice. Now Kanishka, next.
Yes, sir.
Next. Nashyati, to perish.
Nashyati, nashyatah, nashyanti, nashyasi, nashyatah, nashyatha. Sorry, I forgot the third one.
Nashyami,
Nashyavaha,
Nashyamah. Very nice. Nrityati, Shailiji. Sailiji, Kshamyatam.
Nrutyati, Nrutyatah, Nrutyanti, Nrutyasi, Nrutyatah, Nrutyatha, Nrutyami, Nrutyavah, Nrutyamah.
You are not referring notes, right? No, okay, fine. I am just joking. In between I have to joke, otherwise all. Okay, next dhatu, Surabhiji.
It's a lot I like more.
Okay, Surabhiji. No? Okay, Vaisha. Okay, continue.
Pushyati, pushyatah, pushyanti, pushyasi, pushyatah, pushyatha, pushyami, pushyavah, pushyamah.
Nice. Pushyati means to nourish. Correct. Next, Muha dhatu. Ji, Vaishali ji, right? Yeah. One by one I will be asking. Muha dhatu.
Muha.
Muhyati.
Muha, I don't know, sir.
Yeah, here it is, right? Muhyati, muhyatah, muhyanti. That way. Right?
Mushyasi, mushyatah.
No, not mushyati. Here. Yeah. Okay, next dhatu. Lubhyati, I will decline that, right? Lubhyati dhatu.
Lubhyati. Lubhyati, lubhyatah, lubhyanti, lubhyasi, lubhyatah, lubhyatha, lubhyami, lubhyavah, lubhyamah.
Nice. Next one. Induji. Asyati, to throw.
Asyati, asyatah, asyanti, asyasi, asyatah, asyatha, asyami, asyavah, asyamah.
Nice, very nice. Next one is tushyati, to satisfy, to be satisfied, right? To satisfy. Kashmira ji, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ji.
Tushyatah, tushyanti, tushyasi, tushyatah, tushyatha,
Tushya. Next. Shusha dhatu. Now, whom to ask?
Aham vadami.
Ramu Balaji.
Sushyati, sushyatah, sushyanti, sushyasi, sushyatah, sushyatha, sushyami, sushyavah, sushyamah.
Now last one.
Sir, may I do that Muhyati?
Yes, please.
May I do?
Laterly. one by one.
मुह्यति मुह्यतः मुह्यन्ति मुह्यस्ति मुह्यतः
थ मुह्यामि मुह्यावः.
मुह्यावः मुह्यामः.
Nice, very nice. Now we are going to move to lut lakara. Lot lakara. Lot lakara is used for ajnartha. If you want to order someone, if you want to request someone, we always use lot lakara, which means ajna artha, right? So there are particular again new set of pratyas. Those are tu, tam, that should be antu. Let me correct. Tu, tam, antu. Then there is no pratyaya for madhyam purush ekvachanam. We can say shunya, tam, ta. Shunya is which means nothing, huh? Shunya tam ta. Ani, av, am. Okay. Tu, tam, antu, shunya, tam, ta, ani, av, am. So these pratyas will be used with all dhatus, whether it is bhuadigana, divadigana, chuраdigana, doesn't matter. Those pratyas will be used. For example, let's see patha dhatu. Pathatu, pathatam, pathantu, patha, pathatam, pathata, pathani, pathava, pathama. In the similar way, now let's use the same kriyas, main roots with those pratyas, right? One by one. Who wants to try?
I will try.
Yes, Vaishali ji.
नश्यतु नश्यताम नश्यन्तु नश्य नश्यतम नश्यत नश्यानि नश्याव नश्याम.
Very nice. Hanji, Kanishka.
नृत्यतु नृत्यतां नृत्यन्तु नृत्यतं नृत्यत नृत्यानि नृत्याव नृत्याम.
नृत्यानि नृत्याव नृत्याम. हाँ, साइली जी.
दिव्या.
Any kriyapada or any root you can pick up.
पुष्यति पुष्यतु पुष्यतां पुष्यन्तु पुष्य पुष्यतं पुष्यत पुष्यानि पुष्याव पुष्याम.
हाँ, next. Indu ji. I will ask one by one.
अस्त्यतु अस्त्यतम अस्त्यन्तु अस्त्य अस्त्यतम अस्त्यत अस्यानि अस्याव अस्याम.
Nice. Ram Balaji, right?
तुष्यतु तुष्यतां तुष्यन्तु तुष्य तुष्यतं तुष्यत तुष्याव तुष्याम
Tushyani, Tushyava.
तुष्यानि तुष्याव तुष्याम.
Right. Now let me ask some forms. You have to use pronouns like saha, taute, tuam, yuam, yuyam, aham, avam, vayam. Now, Amrisha ji, nrityantu.
Sir, can you please pardon? What is the question?
You have to use particular subject like pronouns saha, taute, or if the kriyapad belongs to madhyam purusha like nritya, then tvam nritya, that way, right? So I asked nrityantu.
Nrityantu. Tau. Te nrityantu.
What about nrityani?
Nrityani. Aham nrityani.
Aham nrityani. What does that mean actually?
Can I dance?
I want to. I will dance. I should dance.
Should I dance?
Should I dance?
Or can I dance? So that way it can be used, right? Okay, next. Okay, let me change the kriya pad. Kupya.
In
Kupya.
all forms, I can declare.
Which form is this? Which form is this? Kupya. It is
Tvam kupya.
Tvam kupya. Means you get angry. Right? Okay. Sarvepi अथवा नक्षत्राणि आकाशे दिव्यन्तु means what?
Nakshatrani Akashe.
Divyantu, shine.
Last, what is the last word?
दिव्यन्तु.
नक्षत्रों को आकाश में चमकना चाहिए.
All nakshatra should shine in the sky, right? Okay, so lot lakara is also fine. Now this will be your homework. You have to memorize all pratyas like tu, tam, antu. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will be your homework. You have to memorize all the pratyas, right? Tomorrow I will be asking lot lakara also. Okay, next we'll see some shlokas and their uses. Lot lakar. Okay. Okay, let me move to next word, gruham. Now yesterday we saw the word Rama. It was ending with a, all pullinga nouns. Now we are moving to napusaklinga shabda, which is gruham. It is similar to Rama, only first case and second case will be declined little different way, right? Gruham, gruhe, gruhani, gruham, gruhe, gruhani. Then later part will be similar to Rama shabda, like Ramena, gruhena, Ramaya, gruhaya, Ramat, gruhat, Ramasya, gruhasya will be similar, right? So what you have to memorize just this line, gruham, gruhe, gruhani, right? Let's practice.
Sir? Sir,
Yes,
is the
please
Prathama
ask.
and Dvitiya of Gruham the same?
Same, right?
Okay,
Now
sir.
let's take a jalam word. Jalam jale jalani, jalam jale jalani, jalena jalabhyam jalaihi, jalaya jalabhyam jalebhyah, jala jalabhyam jalebhyah, jalasya jalayoho jalanam, jale jalayoho jaleshu, he jal, he jale, he jalani. Similarly, you can decline next word, kamalam. So Kanishk, kamalam word you can decline in prathama and dvitiya.
Yes, sir. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani, Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Sir? Sir?
Mahoday is not audible, I think so.
हो विचारलं त्याचं काय उत्तरच नाही आलं अजून.
हॅलो, काय म्हणाले?
क्लास ते काय सकाळीच विचारलंय मी, त्यांनी काहीच नव्हतं. आपले नागरिकाचे नंबर सोडल्यावर ते हा म्हणजे वेगवेगळं तिला काही करता येईल असं.
Hello, Hanji. Again, there was a network issue. It happens again and again. Okay. These are the words. Now next word is patram or parnam. It can be declined in third case, tritiya vibhakti, and fourth case.
पत्रेण पत्राभ्यां पत्रेभ्यः पत्रात् पत्राभ्यां पत्रेभ्यः
महोदय तृतीया बहुवचन पत्रैः
तैः
Am I audible?
yes
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next word is netram. Netram word. Sixth. हाँ. नेत्रात् नेत्राभ्याम नेत्रेभ्यः नेत्रस्य नेत्रयोः नेत्राणां. Next word फलम. सप्तमी विभक्ति and संबोधन. फले
फलयोः फलेषु हे फल हे फले हे फलानि.
takes next word and decline in first and second. मित्रम मित्रे
मित्राणि
मित्रम मित्रे.
मित्रे मित्राणि
नेक्स्ट मुखम तृतीया एंड चतुर्थी मुखेन.
मुखेण मुखाभ्यां मुखैः मुखाय मुखाभ्यां मुखेभ्यः
नेक्स्ट सुखम पंचमी षष्ठी.
सुखात् सुखाभ्यां सुखेभ्यः सुखस्य सुखयोः सुखाणां
हृदयम
सुखानां.
शब्द. नेक्स्ट सप्तमी एंड संबोधन. हृदये हृदये हृदययोः हृदयेषु हे हृदय हे हृदये हे हृदयानि. ओके, इन द सिमिलर वे द्वारम द्वारे द्वाराणि वातायनम वातायने वातायनानि उपनेत्रम उपनेत्रे उपनेत्राणि व्यजनम व्यजने व्यजनानि पुस्तकम पुस्तके पुस्तकानि वनं वने वनानि भोजनं भोजने भोजनानि राज्यम राज्ये राज्यानि सत्यम सत्ये सत्यानि. So these words you shall remember, right? All are ending with ma or Okay. Now we are going to make some sentences. Okay, let's see. Pathatu. Lot lakar you have to make. By using lot lakar, you have to make some sentences. Like for example, Chhatrah pustakam pathantu. If there are many Chhatra, how will you make?
Kam pathantu.
छात्राः पुस्तकं पठन्तु.
Chhatraha pustakam pathantu. What about vadatu? Can you make one sentence?
बालकः श्लोकं वदतु.
One by one, huh? Now who said Amrisha ji, right?
May I?
Yes, please.
बालकः श्लोकं वदतु.
Next, somebody else can make another sentence.
महोदया कृपया वदतु.
हे महोदये कृपया वदतु. सर्वे
संस्कृतं वदन्तु.
वदन्तु, right? अहं संस्कृतं
वदामि.
वदामि will be lat lakar. What about lot lakar?
वदामि.
वदामि.
Good. Next. Nashyatu means to perish or to destroy, right? Sarvani dukkhani, there should be visarga in between. Dukkha word, right? Dukkhani nashyantu. What about divyatu? Divyatu means to
shine.
To shine, right? So what should shine?
आकाशः सूर्यः.
सूर्यः
आकाशे दिव्यतु.
Okay. Next, नृत्यतु.
चाय बनाने को बोलो उन लोग को.
Please mute yourself.
रंगमंचे नृत्यतु.
Those who are not making sentence, they can mute themselves, right? Okay. Chayam. Next. Pibatu. They are making some tea for us, right? So let's go there. Balakaha, not tea. Let's make some another.
गोदुग्धं पिबन्तु.
Pibantu, right?
Sorry, pibantu.
पिबन्तु बहुवचन.
Next, chalatu. चलतु सीतायाः
सीतायाः पुरतः रामः चलति
पुरतः रामः चलतु
नाइस ओके नेक्स्ट रक्ष
राजा राज्यं रक्षतु
हाँ now there is no space to there I have just kept a kriya pada jayati it will be
रक्षतु
jayati means to win over right jayatu raja shatrum
जयतु
जयतु
what about brahmati it will be सायंकाले
भ्रमतु
सह वने भ्रमतु कः राजा सह वने अस्तु there is another story tomorrow we will see that story let's move to next सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः right सर्वे सुखिनः भवन्तु this is the अन्वय all shall become happy right okay सर्वे भवन्तु is लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन okay let's skip this shloka this will be for your practice take a screenshot tomorrow I will be asking this you shall practice tomorrow we will have some you know we'll spend some time on this right okay now there are 3 more minutes if you have some doubts please ask otherwise we can conclude here anybody has doubts
Avinash, I have a doubt.
yes please.
What is the word for care?
care
Is it lal? Mother cares
to
the
take care
child.
right
Yeah.
lalayati we can use lalayati
लालयति प्यार करना ना महोदय
हाँ जी तो take care of she is asking
Lalati is, yeah, what is lalati then?
no there is not lalati word lalayati lalayati is a kriya pada
स्नेहति
हाँ जी
स्नेहति अपि चलति महोदय
she has to take care of right
टेक केयर ओ यस यस
जी स्नेहति if she asks
पालयति पालयति
पालयति पोषयति
रक्षयति पण करेगा
हाँ रक्षति भी चलेगा ठीक है बहुत सारे क्रियापद है
There's a
संस्कृत में
different meaning actually
यस
not exactly
हाँ जी सो कुछ डाउट्स हैं या यहाँ समाप्त करें
अविनाश जी, I have a doubt.
जी प्लीज
विकरण शब्दः किमर्थम्? In the Gana, ya was a Vikaran. So
Correct.
the word Vikaran, what does that mean?
vikarana word okay shall I explain tomorrow those all concepts I will explain tomorrow I will okay
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
there will be different vikarana and vikarana shabda has particular meaning tomorrow I will ask
Okay. Thank you.
anything else no then we shall conclude here om purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम प्रणाम टू ऑल
हरि ओम
स्वाहा
हरि ओम
Hari Om.